channel messages for the 5th to the 10th of September. Pisces, let's go ahead and go into your reading. I don't have any messages for you, okay? I'm hearing something about moving out, moving in, moving out. Before you move in or you move out, make sure that your name is on something. Don't make no man trick you into moving in with them so you can't pay them blood clot bills where them fuck out your hole. I said it, YouTube. Good morning, Mr. Neil. I hope you and the kids and your wife is okay. And then left you. You have savings account. You just move in with man. You make a blood clot. Tack you and trade it and kick it fuck out. You nothing in your name. Them have one key. You move in with your man and your man is not talking about cutting no blood clot key. And when him get one key, him never get 2 copies at once. Him get 1. And you're moving with him. What him going to tell you? I can't lock the doors to stay home. That's what he's going to tell you. Look at that. You know it's not your man. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Pisces. First card out is the King of Swords. Yes, I saw mental. Somebody think them smart. They think they're smart. You know why them think them smart? Because every time them talk, everybody shut the fuck up and listen. You think because people listen to you, it means you're smart? Anyways, the King of Swords, yeah, you might have play some mental game with you. I'm getting moving in, moving out. I don't know what kind of argument is that as a girl of 32 years of experience on my clit. I am telling you, as a divorcee, do not move in with anybody. Even if you're moving with your married husband, him can kick you the fuck out. I'm just telling you this. But if you're going to move in with a man, no, when your name is on property, it means if him bail on you, you're responsible for it, which is terrible. But at the same time, usually your name is on things to protect you. That's why men ask for prenup before you get married. It's to protect them. So if you're moving, if a man want you move in with him, live, bathe, take shower, wake up, hang out, watch tarot readings, like him want you to do that with him every single day. Him want you come over him house, or him want you move in. Cause maybe you visit a man, Pisces, and you bring an overnight bag and you never left. Maybe that's what it is. And he must say you move. Maybe there's something about him saying that we never had a discussion of you moving in. You came here 1 night, 2 nights, you sleep, you leave things here. I know you'll come back, but me getting over time, you move in. Your things were here. And that's not what we talked about. Or this is something about somebody might want you move in with them, but then I test the waters. So I'm getting like, I don't know, I'm getting, not unless, girl. You have to have, him gonna use, him going to say, you can't talk. You don't have a right to be on this property. After blood clot 30 days, they do. So if the dirty stinking man manipulate you for moving with him, take your money for furnish the blood clot house or for start the blood clot fridge and want boot you out of the fucking apartment, him work with the police if you've been there over 30 days. Worse, if you've been there 90 days, him can't just move you. You're mad? That's supposed to turn into a domestic dispute. You cannot go anywhere. You're there for 90 days. You have to go back in the system if you don't have nowhere to go. Legally. No, I don't know what kind of nasty police officer them dealing with, because the King of Swords looks like a Caucasian man, but what I can definitely say is them might use mind games on you. They might say, yeah, moving, we want to be with you every day, yeah. They're probably bored and want to come home for somebody. If you ask men to describe their perfect housewife, their perfect wife, listen to how they describe a slave. You ask men, does your perfect wife look like? He would tell you how she dressed. You mean like a slave? How they used to dress a slave in uniforms? She would stay home, she would cook, wash. They're not going to describe you as a blood clot slave. I'm telling you, King of Swords, don't know about this moving in situation. I make him moving with blood clot, you. Him want to pay rent, make him pay yours. Tell him, pack up him things and come with. Make him pay your own. You did already pay your rent. Make him move in with you. Because sometimes men will think, don't know where them get this from. They will think because them pay the bill, them can't fuck on you. And you're supposed to be okay with it. I pay the bill, I pay every bill around here, I make sure you eat, I make sure you're taken care of. If I want to fuck a girl one time, I don't see why I have a problem with it. Oh, make me fuck a man one time. That is the only thing, especially if you're depending on a man financially. He must say, but me I provide for you, you don't pay nothing. The only thing you really do, to be honest with you, is give me pussy. Yes, sir, but out of every pussy you was looking, you said mine was the tightest and mine was the best. So you tell me to come live with you. No, you gotta tell me because me I live with you. And the only thing I can do for you is give you pussy. You can't fuck other pussy because you provide. You think I saw it blood clot go? Anyways, let's continue the reading, Pisces. Yeah, you're gonna get trapped. You're gonna trap you. Then you're gonna study your routine, study your behavior for the first month and change up everything. Oh, you're gonna make you insecure. Tell you say you're ugly. Tell you say you get up every day, you don't look good. You're gonna be in the house with him while I'm on social media looking on other girls. And you're gonna watch that. You think, girl, my clit have 32 blood clot years of experience. The blood clot man can trick me. You think the man can blood clot brainwash me? Remember one time I did fuck a blood clot man. Him tell me say I must identify as an individual and not as somebody who black. That is the type of garbage man my blood clot go through. Girl, no blood clot man can brainwash me or trick me about me. I know my clit. I know my clit better than them know me. That is what it is. I know how to make my blood clot self come better than them know how to make me come. The blood clot man can brainwash me. I've been around this rodeo for 32 blood clot years. I'm telling you, him gonna trap you. Him gonna study your him will all fuck up your work situation so you lose your job so you have to depend on him. I'm telling you. You know what kind of man you're there with. That look like a Gemini, Libra, or Aries. The moon card. Yeah, that's the secret. And then every time when you're asleep, I'm gonna study your pattern sleeping. And God knows what the fuck you do when you're asleep. We have the 4 of Pentacles, and then we're going to start cuss about money. Because even if you're living with him and him, okay, so him want you live with him. Is this still 50-50? Okay, so me's a girl, stiff breasts, tight pussy, tight ass, tight everything, right? And I find a way for everything myself. Now I meet a man. Okay, other than the fact that I'm pouring emotional support into this man and we're having sex actively, what can a man do for me? Am I cook for me? Am I clean for me? Am I give him, like, what am I do for me? If just like a man saying I can support myself. Like I know how to cook. My mom taught me to cook and clean. I don't need to hire or depend on a bitch to cook and clean. What can a girl give you? Sex, exactly. Where you can give a girl who will do everything, who will find a way for do everything herself. Whether that means you agree with her or not. You only can give her sex. So that is the half and half. You give me sex, me give you sex, and then you pay for your things and me pay for my things. And then that's how the relationship's supposed to be. Like, what the fuck? Are you Caucasian? Maybe a Caucasian. I don't know. Like, what the fuck? So you're gonna live with him, you're gonna clean. No, you live with him, you're doing 2 of everything. You live with him. And I am talking, maybe people disagree with how you're supposed to be with a man when you live with a man. Okay, fine. But to my knowledge, when you live with a man, you start the 2 of everything. You make dinner, it's for 2. When you're single, you do it for 1. When you do laundry, you do it for 2. Me here, I am not disagreeing with my ladies, but I was once a married woman, no proudly divorced, even though my clit wanders sometime, right? You can't live with a man and you're not doing laundry. That not makes sense. Me hear girls say them live with man and them not cook for them man. Your man, you know your man a fuck on you, right? You think your man girl say I live with my man. We have 3 kids together and I live with him and I don't cook for my man. I don't do laundry. Yeah, but yeah, I live with him for 3 years. You think him never fuck another girl before? So when you live with a man as a woman, when you live with a man, sometimes you have man where you live with them take on the feminine role. That's different. If you're in a relationship with a man and he might drop hints that you must be the man and me be the woman, that's a... Continue with your life. He might gonna drain your blood clot beauty. By the time that man who wants you to be the man and him be the woman done with you, you're gonna so drain that your beauty, you're gonna look like a blood clot man. Then you have man where you're there with and when you live with them take on the feminine role, them start cook for you. Them the laundry, them do it for 2. You have man who don't mind washing women's underwear and these little things when them live with the woman. You have some man who say, I ain't washing my bitch's underwear. Especially, she going through her time a month, that bitch have to wash my shit and her shit. She not wash. You have some men who stay that way. So, if you live with a man, you're doing everything for 2. So why would you go 50-50? So no, your energy is 2 times cooking, 2 times laundry, 2 times cleaning, 2 times everything, and you pay 50. Where is the man's responsibility to you? I mean, I talk about it, the hierophant aspect of when you're in a relationship with that man. You start, as a girl, you start everything for him, right? Okay. So, no, and you still pay 50. So even if you do everything for him and you make your own money, you're gonna start cost about money. Hey, you know, I pay all of the bill, you work, but you use your money and do. You know, I'm saving. Yeah, honey, but you know, I work, I pay everything. I would want to save too. Okay, honey, let me ask you a question, honey. What you saving towards? You know, I was thinking about a trip. Yeah, I want to go here, here, here. Is that trip really necessary when I'm paying everything? And you see that I don't have fucking proper underwear. My underwear is bleached the fuck out. My socks have holes in it. It's actually, my socks is not like when it just come. My socks is like very, very, if you feel my socks after it come out to the blood clot dryer, it feel crusty. It don't feel soft like how it's supposed to be. You think a vacation is necessary right now, you start arguing with him. Worse if the girl says she has saved. Well, the man wants to save too. So now him must spend for money, you are save actively. For yourself or for your own future. Once you live with a man, you start off to discuss. When you live with a man, this is marriage. That's marriage, Pisces. You cannot live just, if you want that, fine. But I'm telling you, you live with a man, it's a marriage. The only time, two reasons why a man would want you to live with him or be around him that much time. One, he need a slave, he need a personal slave to be in his fucking house, and slave don't matter your ethnicity. I'm telling you. Or me getting, it could be attachment things. Cause you have man who will rush home to them girlfriends, and you have man who will stay at work because they don't want to be around them girlfriends. Anyways, Pisces, me getting don't go. That fucker will, that fucker. I'm telling you, Pisces. Telling you, my face might be looking young and my clit might be young, but I have some experiences that some people never had. The Queen of Wands, yeah, you look pretty. You're pretty, gonna live with this man. You think you're pretty every day. You think when you live with him, you're gonna say, babe, I'm gonna go get my nails done. You're gone for 1.5 hours. Him don't know who you're texting, him don't know what you're gonna start control you. Him gonna tell you, say, why the fuck you get your nails done? Who you getting your nails done for? You live with me. We're not going out because him know him not take you out. You're beautiful when him get you. Every time him say you're beautiful, you live with him, you're not dressed up no more. Now you're in the house with him, sit down with him, you and him is a man now, so now you commit to him. So now when you commit to a man, Pisces, you don't date any other man. You don't go out with any other man. That's what a man is asking you to do when you commit to him. Him saying, do not text, no talk to in a emotional or sexual way to another man. And any single time you ever go out in your life, if you don't go out alone, you ever go out with me. That's what him asking you to do, even when you're being him girlfriend. So now when you live with him, sit down on the couch with him daily basis, you're sober, all of these fucking things, you want to go book in an apartment. He's gonna tell you why you do your nails. We don't go anywhere. Yeah, because you don't bring me anywhere. When you're single, why you're so pretty when you see? You notice when the girl them alone, them single, when them single, them pretty. Why them so pretty when them single? Because them are maintain the next person who are going to take care of them. Who a next guy will say, I like how you look. If a man see you, meet you, whether you wear nails or you wear makeup or you wear hair or not, if he meet you that way, want a so-called relationship from you, then tell you to take it off, it's because he's not up to your status. He was pretending. And he might tell you everything. Him insecure in himself. Him can't maintain. Him cannot keep a woman. Maybe him don't think him can keep a woman like you. Because of all that hair and the nails and everything, it intimidates them. But yeah, but through the hair, through the nice hair and the nails and everything, you have a personality. You want to be loved too, right? Like a normal person. Like every other girl. Like every other man. Me getting, yeah. When the girl them single, oh, them look so good. You notice when you're single, you're pretty, pretty, pretty. Then when you're there with a man, you might tone it down because the man love you. But then sometimes you go out with your man and you will see another girl and you don't know if this girl's single or she's in a relationship. But you just know, say, look how she look pretty. I wonder if a man look on her. You ever think about that? You ever see that? I pass enough man with girls sometimes, and when the man them see me, them look the other way. Them look the other way and the girl look on them. So I say, I say, if you ever do this, like you and her are in a problem. I hope God don't send me a fucking man like that. So when you're single, you're pretty. No, you be with him, you for better man, him gonna be the woman. You're gonna suck the life out of you. You're gonna be bald-headed, sweetie. By the time I'm done with you, like, you will have nothing. He will make you insecure. He'll tell you that you're And ugly, but he'll say, you know what, I just don't really like girls like you. He's gonna tell you you're fucking ugly when you live with him. Meanwhile, I tell you, say you're the beauty, you have the most beautiful clit ever when you just be with him. And then I'm gonna tell you all of these things. And I'm gonna get you insecure. Cause you live with you. And then I'll start show other women attention. And then you're gonna be like, what can I do? What can I do? And girl, if you ever elevate yourself above him, let me tell you something. You know what's the epitome of a great marriage? You know what's the epitome of a strong, nice woman who will set her boundaries and follow it? Sierra. I was watching something about her the other day. How she did with Future. If you don't have one of these, she does not belong to me. It's okay. You never give Sierra one, but Russell took her in. Russell married her. I'll know we can't say no allegations of Russell's dick going into another woman's clit. I'll know Russell can't fuck on Sierra. So Sierra must have the best pussy out there in Hollywood, or she got it right, women, when you stick to your boundaries. Sierra was a baby mother when she met Russell. Remember that. She was a baby mother. She wasn't no divorced hoe. Single, fresh with no kids. She'd have a baby. By Future, what everybody know. And Russell still take her. He was a father to Future's child. Some of the man say, no, well, I never be father to a girl who have a baby for another man. Everybody know who Future is. Nobody don't know who you is, ho. You don't have that much followers. And half of your followers are bought by followers.com, right? Him take on Future baby. And him had more with her. And him still with her. And people talk allegations how Sierra will fuck on Russell because she flirty, she this, she that. No, you see, as a woman, every woman have a certain sexuality where them can turn up and turn down. Some girl sexuality stop at 50, some girls sexuality stop at 100. Sierra can be sexual, very, very sexual, and still not fuck. I don't know if this is something I don't know. Look how Sierra get it right. To this day, even after Sierra has went through how much pregnancies, look how Russell talk about her. You remember say she have an attitude, you remember saying nothing weird about Sierra all this time, all these years later. She gets it right. That's what happens when you set boundaries. Look how Sierra look nice. She still look pretty. She still to this day. Don't look at a girl like Sierra that did get out there with Future, have a baby father. Then after she have a baby father, she was with Russell, who she finished her life with, have kids. And then I'm not trying to talk shit about anything about anybody. But like, look at a girl like that. Okay, Tiana Taylor, I got you for her divorce now. She got through her whole shit. She and her baby father. That was together for years. Them have 2 kids together, Junie and a baby together. Okay, them I got through these things. See, when you're a real man, nothing intimidates you but death and God. When you're a God-fearing man, the only thing that intimidates you, the only thing that can set your plans off are God and death. Otherwise, do not. Look how much people could attack Russell out of not dating Sierra. Because she have a baby by Future. Future, what's everybody? Future? I do love cheesecakes. Right, Future? She gets it right. Anyways, and she's still pretty. Look at Maya. Maya is about 50 now. Maya pretty enough. Pretty. Maya never had babies. She never had a man. Sierra had babies. Sierra had a baby father and a husband. Sierra's still pretty. Because that's what happens when you set your boundaries. You stay pretty. Maya not with nobody, Maya pretty. Sierra is with somebody, Sierra is still pretty. Sierra never gain or lose no fucking weight. We don't even know how these babies are coming or how them are gain. How she having babies if she not gain no weight, right? To this day, and you know them said the honeymoon phase will fade. Me never hear Russell, but you think fucking Russell is Kirk? You think this is fucking Rashida and Kirk? Rashida look like she only fit fuck one man. Rashida body count is 1. Kirk. No, look at a man like that when she choose and her boundaries were not set in place. Yes, she have a man, she finished her life with a man, but at what cost? Being humiliated time and time again. And she has accepted outside babies that Kirk had on her while she was actively with him. To me, that what is your life? That is the difference between your life and then people looking on your life. Look how Rashid and Kirk have it. Yeah, them still together, but at what expense? And she can't say she don't care, You obviously don't care. Him don't care either. Now look on Sierra, what have a baby by Future. Rashida don't have no baby by another man than Kirk. Look what Kirk do her, but she still stick by him. Just saying. That's how when you know some girl in a relationship, when a relationship healthy, are they pretty throughout the relationship? You see, anytime you see her go on date with a man and she look mash up, and the man look better than her. You see she gonna wear when she just did with the man and she start, look on Haley. All Bieber, when Bieber was just with Haley, Bieber did look great. Throughout the relationship, Bieber start look mash up. It's not clocking to you. It's not fucking clocking to you. Bieber did look mash up. At any time, did Haley look mash up? Even with the big thing when Bieber start in a flip-flops and hoodie and Haley come out in her nice red dress and her heels and her hair was blood clot up. She never ever remained ugly. Selena Gomez got ugly when she was with Justin Bieber. He may take it from her. And even if Haley did take a lot of shit from Justin Bieber, whether it was cheating or him publicly saying him hate her, he never took her beauty. Because that's what happens when you set boundaries. Even if you're willing to stay with a toxic man, but you keep do this and come back with him, you remain beautiful. But toxicity will drain your beauty. I'm telling you. Anyways, let's continue. One more. Yeah, the magician, a magic. Him gonna tell you, say, yeah, I'm gonna deal with you, we're gonna live together. Him probably gonna put on your underwear when you're asleep. Him gonna put on your fucking clothes when you're sleeping. Him tell you, say, you must be the girl and me, but you must be the man and me be the girl in a relationship. What kind of Batman argument that? What kind of argument that? Why not buy a dildo so I can't fuck you? If you want me to be the blood clot, man, I can't fuck you. Cause my penis has been the topic of discussion. This all, guys. This how them do this, right? I'm gonna tell you, say, you for be the man, or if you be the man and you bleed every month. You must be the man and him be the girl. What the fuck that mean? You want, okay, you want be the girl, you want blood clot, wash, cook and clean. Is that what you want? You want cook? You want what you want clean up? What the fuck you want? And then you gonna bleed every month. I'm gonna tell you, say, you for be the man. What the fuck is that? You have to listen to some of them, man, yeah. Remember one time I fuck one man, the man said him like to be fucked. Him like to be, this is what the man tell. I go up on a date with a man and the man tell me, so when him is being fucked, him like to be fucked like a man a fuck him. I'm telling you what a man tell me. Look on me. My penis is a topic. I'm telling you that my penis has been discussion topics, right? The man gonna look on me and tell me that. You wonder why I never did call you back? And you were a sober man. You wasn't even high or drunk. So I don't know what would have come in at you. And then even after every single thing, obviously I don't have a penis, because you probably did say. You saw that there was a clit there. The clit may have looked different from what you know, but it was a clit there, and it wasn't a reconstructive clit. It was an organic clitoris that had every single nerve ending attached to it. You're gonna tell me, say, when you fuck, you like to be fucked like a man. What kind of me's a girl, Brody, I weigh 110 pounds. Ask any gym man what weigh 110 pounds. They must talk about them want to gain weight. Oh my god, fuck you like a man. Even if Brody may tell you the man them we deal with. 32 years of this. That's why no man can ever convince me that I am not the best you'll ever have. I'm telling you. Ask any man may ever blood clot fuck. They will tell you. Ask them what the best you'll ever have. Who was the best girlfriend? Who was the best girl you ever date? My name I can always get called. Every fucking time. Every time. Think I'm here to play? Anyways, let's continue the reading, and we'll end it here at Pisces. So don't go live with a man. And that them will do you need to know the type of man you live with. If him will watch you get ready, if him will watch you with the bathroom, if him take time for be around you doing things you like to do, even though he might be bored, yeah, you can live with him. Because he will be bored with you. Otherwise, this is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius man. He might always up on him phone for make you feel insecure. I'm telling you. We have a 10 of Wands. Okay, so we're getting something. Yeah, it's incomplete. Maybe the man didn't need your name on him. Oh, so I'm gonna get a discount. I'm getting the plan of fail. The plan is stuck. So he might talk to somebody else. So what is? You feel live with him and then him try to set you up, right? Remember one time I did one man in one of the garbage men them on my dates in my past. And I'm not talking about a garbage worker for the city of Toronto. But meaning personality and his mother pussy was garbage, which produced that blood clot thing. And it was such garbage him couldn't be fucking recyclable properly, right? Remember me the one man, him invite him friend over. And then he might tell me to stay in the house with him friend while him leave. I say no, me go do what you want. I say, you know, set the blood clot man I try to set me Me never even have to ask. And the way how him look like it never work, him was so upset. It's like the man who me a fuck a bet is betting against me fucking on him. And him bring him friend over, him say, I go downstairs go do something. I say, make me do it. You stay with your friend. Where you left me with your blood clot friend for? I don't know your friend. You left me in the house with your friend. For what? Have a weird, awkward conversation with your friend. Make me go do what you want, get done, and your friend stay here and talk. And by the time I tell him that, it's like I clocked it. I literally clocked it before he clocked it. And he was so fucking shocked that a nigga could outsmart him. He was upset with me. You're upset because I never fuck on you? You're upset because I never come on to your blood clot friend? What you upset about? How much time you think we've been around this blood clot rodeo? Anyways, yeah, we're getting something incomplete. So now the mind games, the tricks, whatever I'm supposed to do to you, make you find underwear in I'm blood clot house, make you find lashes or earring, whatever I'm do to you, him can't do it to you anymore because you don't live with him. And that's ultimately how a man control you. You live with him. And then when you live with him, what happen? You're gonna let your guard down. Chances are you're gonna start to have sex with him without a condom. Chances are you're gonna get pregnant. You live with him. Girl, you know much things I have got through with, man. Remember one time one man, girl, I don't know what is cursing my clit so much, girl. I must have cursed of being beautiful. Because one Jewish man tell me, say, oh, I'm so pretty. That's why people have so much envy and hate. Because he said, my two blood clot pretty. Girl, remember, I live with one man. I stay with one man during when I'm homeless. No, I'm not homeless no more. The government of Canada made sure my clit was warm, right? Girl, remember, I stay with him. And something lick him. No, I don't know if the man did really have mental problems. Girl, the man randomly in a one argument with me and kick me out. I'ma take out my things, I'ma leave, and I notice I'm in no shoes. My shoes, him and one of my shoes. Girl, I call him and tell him say I have morning sickness, I need to come back. Girl, I tell you the nasty things I have to do with man. I tell him say I have morning sickness, I vomit, I think I'm pregnant. And it was very weird because for somebody who was a trafficker and abuser, he was really concerned with being a father. And him say come back. And when I come back there, I find my blood clot shoes in my closet. Girl, and him pack my things and make me leave. Pack my things and everything. Humiliation, ritual, neighbors, dog. The dog them I look, the dog them I smell my things them while I get evicted. I notice my shoes, my bare foot. My bare feet. I have no shoes. Girl, me have a blood clot. Girl, I call him and say, I vomit. I tell the worker them, say, I'm pregnant. I vomit. And when I call him and tell him, say, you come back. When I go back, I say, my blood clot shoes there. I say, don't take blood clot, yo. You know, my thing I go through with man. Not live with a man unless you and him name there. You know, you cannot. And even if you're going to depend on this man financially, he will have the mentality that because he's providing for you, him can fuck more than one woman. And him don't say nothing wrong with it. And you can't argue with him about it. You have to know, you have to know when to do. You have to know. You say when a man wants to take care of you, you don't have to question it. You just have a question why you feel this way about a man who's emotionally unavailable for you. So I'm getting something is incompleted. The Eight of Swords is a, see? Is somebody a twin? Is this two of them? King of Swords, King of Swords. Him gonna trap you. He's going to trap you. I'm telling you. And then we have this. The King of Swords is clarifying this. So the King of Swords, is it something about twins? Twin? Are you fucking twins? Is there a secret about you fucking brothers? Well, by the both brothers not introduce themselves to you and all only can be in a polyamorous relationship. The moon card is clarified by the 9. Him gonna kidnap you. I got the blood clot man do me. Him kidnap me. So the fuck him dead. The moon card, he'll probably kick you in the night. He might kick you out in one rush where you can't grab, or he might grab your shit. So you don't really have time for look, or you panic over why am I do this to you, plus your things. You're not. Even one time, I remember I did move, I get kicked out, and I don't know if I him or a worker them did thief my terror deck. I'ma say dirty blood clot, I'ma say the worst thing could I do to a terror reader, a thief our deck. You thief my deck. You're going to make my blood. You probably seal your own debts and you seal my stardom. You can't steal a deck. And when your teeth deck, it will curse you. A lot of tarot readers will tell you, you don't buy your first deck yourself. People have to buy it for you. They will tell you that. They will tell you it's a curse to buy your first deck. You can't teeth deck. And then you start read off of somebody who was reading it. You open up something in your blood clot house. Yeah, I'm gonna kidnap me. I tell you what I'm gonna do to you. I'm gonna take pictures of you and upload it on the internet and say you want host, or I'm gonna say all the time. I'm gonna have pictures of you in the house where you and him living now. Only you. And you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with these pictures. The Queen of Wands is clarified by the Emperor, yeah. When a man want to protect you, provide. As a matter of fact, when you know say a man want to be around you, him not left your yard. That's why Tyre did say, Homework, you weren't excited, your husband astray, obey. No, I don't know why Tyre would say, you alive, you a wife. And Tara was the first lady of Don't So Records. She was married to Joe Bandanovich, so she was a wife. So why would you sing about mates versus wife anyway? But wifey no vibes, the mate legend wear one wife I wear 90. That's why him itch up on my yard precisely. Love you like how Bounty love Miss Ivy. Me say Bounty get boo at Barclays. Wife in the new outfit, ticket and talk. Try like a snake in a top. Bend up with your double joint like acrobat. That's why you have our husband. Like, when a man like you, whether he murder him single, him not gonna leave your house. Him not gonna move in. Him want to be around you more than you want to be around. Him want to be around you. I don't know what the fuck this is. And I'm just saying, women, if you have your own place, when you go by your man yard, me not talk about technology. Your man yard feel more comfortable than your yard. Cause if your yard feel more comfortable, cause I'm getting if you're a woman, your house feel feminine. When you're going to a man house, unless him have a mom, cause me no man who mother would have come over every week, every day and clean up them house. Me know guys who have money, who had apartments, and their mom would not interfere with them relationships, but every morning them a come. Me know man, you will go to them house and you see our lady are clean. And he must say hi, you say hi to the lady at every single thing, and you still not talk to him about everything. And the lady I hear everything, and he said, oh yeah, this is my mom. And you'll be like, what? And they'll be like, yeah, she come over every morning and she just clean. But she will stay out. Me know a man like that. They must, unless when you go over a man's house, you can feel when it feels massive. You can feel if, yeah, you can't feel how much people get fucking in the house already. You know, you feel empty. The house full up of things, but the soul of the house feel empty. Because I bear emptiness in the Ross house. Unless it's a spiritual man or a peaceful man, or unless him have a mother there or him sisters. Because some men know, I've seen some men who have sisters or feminine family members in them life, and they will come over because the girls will be like, you're not a girlfriend, you need a girl opinion. You have some man when them live alone, them don't want not farmer girliness in them house. Like John Cena, him fucking toxic, right? He don't want no farmer girly thing in him house, right? Him buy the fucking kitchen top and I tell Bella, so you're cooking tonight, so is this going to be a thing? Poor blood clot Bella is trying to not only get her ass ate, but to give John Cena the best. She's showing him her cooking skills. You think blood clot Bella did have time to learn for blood clot cook? The girl hot no blood clot. She live in Hollywood and she have a blood clot twin. She was showing John Cena that she wanted to be a wife and she cook for him. Him says this going to be a normal. You're scratching. Him tell her says she has scratched the kitchen stove. So when the blood clot you get porcelain tile, where you get marble top thing for? Sometimes I see some of these houses and kitchens. Can you imagine? You have a rose quartz crystal top. You probably cook naked every blood clot day. Him gonna tell Bella, oh Bella, is this going to be an active thing? I thought we could go out to eat. Cause that's your blood clot, like artificial intelligence. You want to go eat. Your woman have tried to cook for you. No, maybe her cooking does not taste good. You could say that to her, and if she feel bad about it, or the fuck well, we'll fuck the same night, right? But you gotta ask, is this going to be a normal thing? You never want one girl. What you want? A slave. I'm telling you, they want slaves. Anyways, me getting, yeah. Some don't know which man you gotta deal with, and sometimes you might deal with a man for a very long time, Pisces. And me getting, you would just wish and hope that he must everything you don't want him to be. And you see, as soon as you walk away from him, you meet one other man. But give you every single thing where you want. Can me getting you meet an emperor. And this emperor not gonna manipulate you. He's not gonna tell you, oh, don't wear that, wear this, be this way. He criticizes you every day. You know, some man and then I like you. Me there with man, them not like me. Them like my accent, them like my weights. Then I like my culture. Then I like this. Then I like nothing about me. Oh, but you like how my pussy feel around your dick. Cause if you can criticize everything about me, my family, where I come from, how I do things, my culture, my attitude, all of this shit you talk shit about me, but you really love the way how my pussy feel tight around your dick, which is why you keep fucking me. But you don't like me. Me getting this, the king of swords. Me getting this man like you. He want to protect you. Go on YouTube. There's a thumbnail of what name? This is a thumbnail. Anytime I look on this thumbnail, I say to myself, this is just a difference between people. There's a song on YouTube named Junior X, Plea My Car. There's a thumbnail of Haile Selassie with a lamb, and him a touch a lamb, and there's a white man in the background, and him looking on him like very nasty, disgusted. Now the white man in the background, him remind me much of a CIA member. I don't know why. When I look on him and I see him face and I see the badge, little thing here, him look like him that is a CIA member. But Haile Selassie was touching the animal, and the man in the background skin up in face in disgust. Why would you touch a dirty animal like that? You mean like how Haile Selassie they touch it? I'm going to take my phone down and I'm going to show you the thumbnail. Look. You mean like how Haile Selassie they touch the lamb? Like this. If you go on YouTube, just type in Junior X, Plead My Car, Haile Selassie touch the lamb, and then the man in the background. It reminds me so much of that. So yeah, wait, let me put this back and continue my reading, because like, you know, like it's not clocking. Let's clarify everything. You're going to be with somebody. That's good for you. It's better for you. We have Mammon, greed, the love of material wealth, corruption, influence, value in riches. That's what the man who you're fucking is. We have destiny swap. Yeah, you for be the guy and him be the girl. And then you just like start to have your regular periods. Brody, once I see the video that says, oh, we listen but we don't judge, and the man tell him, woman say, sometimes when I'm having sex with you and you think I'm finishing in you, I'm really peeing. From me hear that, you have to understand how diabolical men can be. Women too. Destiny swap. You're crying, you're gonna cry every blood clot day. He's going to control your emotions. You live with him now. And you're not paying nothing. I'm gonna stress you out every day. You're gonna ugly and defensive and cuss every fucking day. Then I'm gonna tell you because him stress you out and you are cuss and you don't look good because of what him doing to you. Him gonna fuck on you. You're real. There is a common things. No matter what any man wants to say, there is a common denominator all of these girls keep saying. All of the girls and keep say the same thing. All of them. The man them will say something, but then when them in front of their mother, them say something different. When the girl them in front of their mother and father, them say the same thing. The girl them not, when the girl them in front of their mother and father, them not switching it up. The man them must switch it up. Cause you want to look big and bold when you're on camera, you're alone. As soon as your blood clot mother come in, you have to shut the fuck up. When the girl them talk, whether I don't give a fuck if my dad knows I'm doing OnlyFans. Yeah, no, I don't give a fuck if I'm pregnant because my mom was pregnant at 16. The girl them do it in front of them parents, cause that's how them feel. There's a common denominator. Women are talking about either men fucking them and don't like them, or this destiny swap. Your man don't like him, jealous of you, or I'm envious of you. He wants to be you. If he could, he would. I'm telling you. What? Abaddon, the angel of destruction, abyss and chaos. Abaddon. Angel of this year is destructive. You're gonna suck the living life out here, you're gonna ugly, your hair gonna fall out, you're gonna lose weight or gain weight. I'm telling you. I did deal with man and them they want me gain weight. And them will cuss me, make me feel insecure about weight, all of these things. And then would even start rumors on me that I was on crack because I wouldn't gain weight. But then with man who try to to try spirit coat me and the ritual so I can get fat. Once when I left Jamaica, that whole thing never happened to me. Because when I'm in Jamaica, I have footage, I have like, not anymore, but I'm sure people might see footage of me when I'm in Jamaica, I did fatter. Not when I was at CVM doing the rap. But I have bloatness problems, especially in my belly, like somebody was using my womb. In Jamaica, I would always have bloatedness till I look pregnant. I would look like 9 months pregnant sometime in Jamaica. As if there was an entity using my womb to have a baby on behalf of them. Even though I wasn't carrying the baby, my stomach would have bloated. But then with man who didn't want me gain weight, who them the witchcraft for me to gain weight, I would not gain the fucking weight. But now I gain it. So, you live with him, you're gonna cry every day. I'm gonna stress you out, I'm gonna make you feel ugly. Anything you used to do to yourself, you don't have time for yourself no more. You're always in a panic. You can't go do your nails, you can't have no beauty routine, you're mad. And we have Virgo. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Pisces, bye.